Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of KakaoTalk app. If we go to settings, here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of KakaoTalk. Here in this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Then here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. We'll search about KakaoTalk, then you will uninstall your app and you will install it again. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.